Wednesday, May 3rd, 2023. I'm putting together the 7.2.9, the transmission, and a couple of hours ago I said that, you know what, I'm wrapping it because somebody will gonna stop me. What happened? They brought me crash washer, a nut, and the seal for the diff. Finally. Yeah. Let's take the diff out and start putting it together. Finally came the time. Yay, lovely. And here we go. I have already installed both races for the pinion bearings. I have installed the carrier bearings both. I have secured the ring on the carrier, the pinion bearing installed. That's the other bearing. There is inside the washer, the yoke. I need the old nut to crash the crash washer with the old nut, and then I'm gonna put the new one before I finish completely the crash. That's what I'm doing all the time. I don't know if you can hear me. So I need some lubrication, some oil. The cover, I keep it here because not now the time. Putting it together, double checking, dial indicator. It's supposed to give me the same clearance like before. Supposed to be the same clearance like before. I replaced it with the same size bearings. Okay. So on verification at the end, and that's it. Let's start working. And that's it. How magical is the video, eh? In one case it's all in parts, in 1 second it's all back together. Some people that don't know what it takes to do all this, they think it's easy. Believe it or not, it's much easier when it's mounted on the car, not the IRS, not the diff like this, with the tube, the classic one. It's much easier to torque it down, the pinion nut here, and to torque down this too, and to be steady at one position than rolling on the table. So, you're gonna tell me, screw it, I'm gonna show you. Who gives an F, right? Yeah. I have exactly the same clearance, by the way, between the rig and the pinion like before. It's exactly the same. It didn't change anything other than the bearings are healthy now. The seals are new. Pinion nut, crash washer. How to crash a crash washer while it's not been steady, the diff. I have an old tool. I took it out, this one, to see if it's gonna fit, but this doesn't fit. I have this tool, this special tool, and then I have also this special tool. With this one I'm opening also damper pulleys. So, by having these two, you'll be able to crash the crash washer. You're not gonna do that with a normal torque wrench. No, you're not gonna be able. So, with this one, you can do it. It's a homemade, it's a custom-made tool. It's not, I think that there are available in the market, but this is something that you can put fast and you can even repair it. So, at the end of the day, it's been torqued down, everything is fine. Let's close it and give it to the guys outside to install it, finally. Yeah, okay, I'll show you how it's gonna be when it's gonna be completely lost. I'm gonna take care also of the tools, so I'm gonna put it back in place. I don't want to have it here. And that's it with the diff. Yeah, I didn't bolt it down. This need to be added later after an hour to cure a little bit the sealant. Okay. That's the amount of sealant. It's more than enough. Taking it outside, I'm gonna cover this side here and the other one, so don't fall anything inside. From the breather, it won't gonna pass nothing there. Give it to the guys, then the guys are gonna bring the car inside, they're gonna install it. They're gonna put the friction modifier, and then the rest with the diff oil. We're gonna run it on the jack with the first gear for a minute, just to turn the fluid inside to go everywhere, double checking again the oil level, and then test drive. And it's supposed to be fine. until it fucked up again the pinion bearings. Yay! This most probably happened because it's standing the car for a long period, probably. Let's see, we're gonna find out, we're gonna figure it out. That's it, over and out, thank you. I put the diff here up on the table. And the guys, when did you brought the car inside? I didn't even saw it. You are so fast, gentlemen.
Yeah.
Nice.
Some people say we are not so fast.
Ah, well done, well done. Omar,
Yeah.
fluid
Yeah, after 1 hour.
after 1 hour to cure the sealant, okay? Then what I want, to run in a first gear for 1 minute.
This one.
Listen to me 1 second. He brought the oil here, man. That's the oil?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Okay. So listen up. Where are you? No, you continue. Omar. You leave it for 1 minute with the first gear normal on idle to spin the wheels. Okay. Then you stop it. You're opening again to see the transmission oil, the differential oil level. You're adding if you have to, because it's gonna be completely dry out. And then continually drive it a little bit, leave it rolling a little bit, okay, to recirculate the oil everywhere. And then we're gonna have a test run. Okay, sir?
Okay.
You're gonna do it because I have to continue with the transmission inside.
I have one more transmission.
I know you have another transmission, but I have to finish one transmission to continue with the other one.
Okay, brother.
Okay, bye. Over and out.